The first wisdom of bringing life-changing drug therapies to market is that nobody does it alone. That's why it's so important to choose the right partner. One with the expertise to help you navigate a development environment defined by constant change. Keep pace with increasingly complex regulatory requirements on a global scale. Design protocols to satisfy evolving scientific expectations. Unlock the value of clinical trial data. And extend the reach of your in-house regulatory department. Parexel Consulting is with you from the earliest phase of clinical development through planning, submission, and post-approval support to guide your journey every step of the way, no matter what your challenge is. It's all part of the connected journey that unites our human expertise, business processes, cutting-edge technology, and data to simplify and accelerate drug development. Looking to take more control of your regulatory path and reduce compliance risks, Parexel's Regulatory Strategy and Development Services team is staffed by former FDA, EMA, and CFDA regulators who draw on their broad and deep knowledge of market requirements around the world to help you chart a steady course. While our strategic risk and compliance management specialists work with you to quickly resolve any regulatory issues, so you can keep your next discovery on the fast track. Need to manage the costs of mature products at the same time you stay prepared for any regulatory inspections? With Parexel Regulatory Partnerships, you can match the requirements of each drug in your portfolio to the skills of our experienced regulatory operations team. You pay only for the resources you need, yet you're always ready to take advantage of regulatory reforms as they happen. Parexel's Clinical Trial Regulatory Services help you streamline the submission of timely, compliant applications anywhere in the world. We've revolutionized the collection, management, and sharing of clinical trial data. And whether you, Parexel, or a third party manages the clinical trial, all steps are managed by a single dedicated team to lower costs and improve efficiency. For more than 35 years, Parexel Consulting has helped drug developers in more than 100 countries navigate the maze of barriers that can easily get in the way of bringing life-changing drugs to market.
Getting breakthrough drug therapies into the hands of patients is your mission, and no other company is more committed to helping you get there. We have over 1,000 regulatory experts whose job is to stay on top of the changing global requirements, advances in science, and emerging technologies. This expertise makes Parexel the best partner for you as you go along your drug development journey.